Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to Manjula's Kitchen. Aloo Bhindi is a popular dish in my house. A simple yet flavorful dish. Potatoes and okra. This is a vegan and gluten-free, making it enjoyable for everyone at the table. I like to serve aloo bhindi with dal, rice and roti, making a balanced and enjoyable meal. This recipe will serve 4. So I am ready to make potatoes with okra. Heat is on low medium. So first I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil and I have 2 cups of cut okra. Okra, you make sure before cutting you wash it and dry, otherwise it becomes lacy. So just stir fry for about 4 minutes. So they are tender but they are still have their green color. So you are not browning the okra, you are just making sure they are tender. And yes, it will catch some brown color. So this has taken me about 4 minutes and okra is tender. So I am just going to take this out and again put 1 tablespoon of oil. Oil should be moderately hot. Then we can put the cumin seed. I am using 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, half a teaspoon of mustard seed, 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida, and about 1 tablespoon of sliced ginger. Stir it. And now here I have 2 cups of potatoes. I have already boiled, peeled and cut them little larger than okras. So let's put this in. And again stir fry. And now I am going to add the rest of the spices. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of crushed coriander, not fine, it's a, as you see it is crushed, 2 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Stir it together. We put more salt because we have not added any salt in okra. And now I will add the okra. I have here 1 tablespoon of besan, so I am just going to sprinkle it. And stir. This helps coating all the potatoes and okra with the spices. Color is looking so good. At this point you can taste the salt and chili powder. If you like more hot you can add it, and if you think salt is not enough you can add the salt. This is the right time to adjust because potatoes were already boiled, so we don't have to cook for very long. And okra we had already stir fried before, so this is ready and it's looking very nice in color. Now my last ingredients: 1 cup of tomatoes, which I have already chopped. So I'm going to add this now. And cook again for a few minutes. I did not eat any, I'm sorry, I did not put any lemon or amchur mango powder because I was going to add the tomatoes, and sometimes tomatoes give the enough sourness what it needs. Or if you want to add more, you want to more sour, then you can add little mango powder. Okra with potatoes are looking very vibrant and good, and it is ready to serve. Masala potato okra Aloo Bhindi is ready and looks vibrant and colorful. Adding tomatoes at the end not only enhances the taste but also makes the dish vibrant and appealing. I always find the home cooked meals are more flavorful, fresh, and nourishing. And this aloo bhindi, potato and okra is no exception. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do, and don't forget to click the bell icon to ensure to receive notification for future recipes. Until we meet again, check out more recipes on my website manjulaskitchen.com. Thanks and enjoy.